Ionic compound and its properties. The compounds which are formed by transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal are called ionic compounds. Example: sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride. Formation of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are formed in three steps. Number 1, formation of cations by metal atom, formation of anion by non-metal atom, transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. Formation of sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, sodium is metal and chlorine is non-metal. Step 1, formation of cation by sodium atom. Step 2, formation of anion by chlorine atom. Step 3, transfer of electron from sodium to chlorine for completing nearest noble gas configuration. And sodium chloride is formed. In this way, sodium chloride is formed. Formation of magnesium chloride. In magnesium chloride, magnesium is metal and chlorine is non-metal. Formation of cation by magnesium atom. Step 2, formation of anion by chlorine atom. Step 3, transfer of electrons from magnesium to chlorine atoms for completing nearest noble gas configuration. Here we need two chlorine atoms because magnesium loses two electrons and chlorine gains only one electrons. In this way, magnesium chloride is formed. Properties of ionic compounds. Generally, ionic compounds are solid to crystalline in nature. They are soluble in water and the solution conduct electricity due to formation of free electrons. They have high melting and boiling point. They have ionic bonds. Thank you for watching the video.